Welcome to our tutorial on how to sign into your Cash App account online. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, we'll guide you through the simple steps to access your Cash App account hassle-free. First, open your web browser and type in cash.app in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the Cash App website loads, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter the phone number or email associated with your Cash App account. Make sure to input the correct information to proceed. After entering your email, phone number, or email, click on the Request Sign In Code button. This will trigger Cash App to send a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Check your phone or email for the verification code sent by Cash App. Once received, enter the code in the designated field on the website. After entering the verification code, click on the Sign In button to access the Cash App account. And that's it. This is how you can sign into your Cash App account online. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.